Happy Dragon Boat Festival. How can you say happy on the Dragon Boat Festival? The Dragon Boat Festival can only say that the Dragon Boat Festival is healthy. It should be serious. Don't you know? Is the Dragon Boat Festival to commemorate Kuyuan? Kuyuan did his best for the country at that time. No. The Dragon Boat Festival was not created to commemorate Kuyuan. The Dragon Boat Festival culture originated in the Eastern Zhou dynasty. But before the Eastern Zhou dynasty, there was a lot of war. There are many literature to refer to. According to the 5 elements, people regard May as an evil month. On May 5th at noon, in ancient times in our country, Yangqi reaches its peak. Therefore, on the 5th day of May, the ancients would hang wormwood at their doorstep, wrap 5-colored silk around the arm, drink real gur wine. To exorcise evil spirits and remove temperature, May is the season when spring and summer change. Flu-prone, breeding virus. About dragon boat racing. Not to salvage Kuyuan's body. The heart of dragon boat races and fights hasn't changed. But the ancient dragon boat races, it's not just a competition between ships. It is recorded in Book 9 of Yijian. Poying area. There was a ripoff. Crossbow bulletproof. There were even fights between people. Similar. Fighting against the customs and fighting Beikao riding and shooting competitions. Wrestling matches, etc. As for the zongzi, it is indeed used for sacrifice. According to records, as early as the spring and autumn period, the rice dumplings are called corn millet. Sometimes it will be packed in a bamboo tube. It is called the gift of building new. May spring summer cereals ripen. To thank the gods for their protection, grant the people the harvest of food as usual. So the matter of using zongzi as a gift. The date of the dragon boat is approaching. Then it gradually merges into one. Return to the Dragon Boat Festival culture. In ancient times, almost all festivals were related to sacrifices, feeding people to rush disasters and drive away diseases, and hope for a peaceful and good life. It's a true holiday. In addition, there are also many documents documenting the joy of the Dragon Boat Festival. Dunhuang unearthed documents Shinji auspicious and evil calligraphy. One of the Dragon Boat Festival greeting books is festive. The Dragon Boat Festival continues to celebrate Neijiang Yuxianwing in the Song Dynasty. The Dragon Boat Festival is still 2 days away, so I don't get it. Why can't you say Happy Dragon Boat Festival? The Dragon Boat Festival is to worship gods and ancestors, pray for blessings and ward off evil spirits. A folk festival celebrating entertainment and food. It is not only a clear record, rich and colorful social and cultural content. It also contains extensive and profound historical and cultural connotations. Please don't miss our exciting video. Take you to appreciate the unique charm of the Dragon Boat Festival. Many cultures in daily life. If you like our content, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Explore more beautiful moments of traditional Chinese culture with us. Thanks for watching. May you experience unity and happiness in every festival.